In this video, we will see how to use online multisim for doing practicals. For that, first type multisim.com in your browser and the web page will open. Then here, in order to do the circuits and simulation, you have to first log in. If you are using it for the first time, click on sign up, and here you have to create an account with your details. You have to give your name, first name, last name, role, company, email address and password, and then click on create account. Your account will be created, and then you can easily create circuits and simulate them to see the output. I already have an account, so I will click on login and I will log in with my details. Once you log in with your details, this is the web page you will get. Here you can either create a new circuit. Here you have an option for creating a new circuit, or you can also see some of the circuits which were built by the other people. So by clicking here, see here in this circuits option you have my circuits, my favorites. Then here you also have public circuits. If you click on public circuits, you can see the circuits which were made by the other people. See different options, if different types of circuits, 555 variable duty cycle, sine to squares converter, different types of circuits will be there. Now we will see how to create a new circuit. For that, click on create circuit. It's loading. So this is the space where you can create your new circuit. We will first see the different options available here. So left side, if you see, these are all the components which can be used to connect a circuit. Then here you have schematic. Schematic will show you your circuit, and grapher will show you the graph, the data or the output waveforms. Then here you have a split option. When you click on split, you will be able to see your circuit as well as the output in the same window, in the split mode. Then here you have this settings option, wherein you will have various settings of the graph like width, height, output. Then again you also have simulator options which you can select. Different options are there. Then initial conditions, maximum time step, initial time step, everything you can set. So I will go back to schematic. Then here this is the simulation button. If you click on this, your simulation will run. So I will just show us different types of components which we have here. See here, this is the sources. You have AC voltage, AC current, DC voltage, all different types of sources you have. Then the basic components like the resistor, capacitor, transformers, coupled inductors. Then we have analog devices, 3-terminal op-amp, 5-terminal op-amp, 555 timer. Then we have diodes here, diode, Zener diode, LED. Then we have indicators, LED, lamp, buzzer. Then here we have also digital gates, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, inverter. Then here we have ground, junction, connector. Then here we also have the probes which can be used for analysis. You can insert a voltage probe, current probe, voltage and current, and depending upon the requirement you can use different types of probes. I will just connect one simple circuit and show you. Let us say we take one voltage source. Click on the voltage source and click on the schematic. The component will appear. Then I will take a diode. Click on the diodes, select the diode and place it. Then I will take a resistor, click on the resistor, and your resistor is here. I need one ground, So I'll take ground and click on this schematic. So when you select any component, you can see the different options available here. If you click on this left side option, this flip mirror, that is, it will invert your device vertically. So I will show this for the diode. See, it has inverted vertically. Then if you click on this symbol, it will rotate the device in the clockwise direction. Then you can also create a copy of it. Click on by clicking on this duplicate option. Duplicate, so you have another diode. So right now I don't want this, so I will click on this cross symbol. You can delete the component. So in order to connect these devices, click on any device, and once you take your cursor near to this node, the wire will appear, and then click on it and click wherever you want to connect. Then again I will select this component diode, and again you get your mouse close to your terminal. The wire will appear, and then click on this. I want to change the orientation of the resistor. Then again here, click on the negative of the power supply. And this is ground. Now our circuit is ready. This is our half wave circuit. Now in order to see the output, we will insert one probe here. I'll insert it across the resistor. Then we'll click on simulation. And one more thing, we can also change the value of these components by double clicking on the value. If I want to change the value of this resistor, simply double click. See, here you can change its value, or you can just click on it and give your value. I will give 1K again. Okay. Now once your circuit is ready, here you click on simulation and then click on grapher to see the output. So you can see the output of the half wave rectifier. I'll click on split mode. See here, now on the left side you can see the circuit, and right side you can see the graph. And also you can control the various settings by clicking on the settings option. And you can also vary the frequency of the waveform. I'll stop. Now if I want to see even the input, let us say, I'll select one more probe and I'll insert it near to the input. So now we have two probes, one is for the input, the other one is for output. Let us simulate and see. You can change the settings. Let's say 300 maximum. It's 250. So here you can see the output waveform as well as the input waveform. The blue one is the input AC waveform, and the green is the output waveform. You can vary the frequency also. So this is how you can design any circuit using Multisim online and then see the output waveform. And then if you want to measure the frequency of any output waveform, that also can be done by placing a cursor. Here you have the cursor option. So select cursor and select x-axis. So you can see we will get two cursors. So let us say I want to find the time period of the waveform. So I'll place the cursor at the starting of the cycle and the end of one time period. So here you can see the readings, cursor 1 reading cursor to, and the distance between the two cursors, that is delta x, is 1.0023 milliseconds, and you also get the frequency of the waveform. So in this way you can also take the readings.